Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. An internet friend of mine from Australia sent me these two SVGs that he can't open. And I don't know why, but I think I have it figured out. If we go and import and we go to Mudflap Girl and import it, the girl's gone. This is a little risque, but it's a mud flap for a truck. The girl's gone. Well, what the problem is with this, well, I don't know exactly, but it's a power clip. Every one of these things is a power clip. Um, and power clips, I don't really understand. Um, we could try to put it to the front of the page, but it's still, and if we go to, just for help wise, go to Windows, Dockers, and Objects, and a lot of these are locked, so I'm even unlocking them, but they're a power clip, and you can see that power clip is right there. And if you delete it, it's not there. So I got it to work. It's a little annoying, I can imagine. But I went to where I'd put them, and they were under downloads. And here's that one. And I just right clicked and can't remember what I did. Um, you know what? I'm just going to double click on it. And it came up. And then I right click and save as. And I saved it under heal right there. So then I just went to Corel and import it. And it works. Now, the only concern I have, this person is I don't remember what all he does. I know he prints. This is a weird item because it's all black. I mean, the white is white because if we put a yellow box around it, the yellow is already there. So it's a yellow. So the yellow is on top of the black. I don't think we can, because I just imported it. We can't ungroup it. Now you could trace it. And then I discovered on the other one, um, had some weird things happening. We could go to mud, or like the mud flap, and there's what it comes up. So they brought in a power clip and they power clipped this sexy girl into that. So I just took this and right clipped and saved an image of it. And well, that's the other one. Well, see, it saved it as that one that time. Well, there's his image. And I just right clicked it and saved it and reopened it in Corel. And you could actually trace this. And for the one I'm doing it for, it's not a perfect piece of artwork like right in there. And I don't understand, so it's going to print black and it's going to print white on top of the black. So I actually brought in the girl. And so this would, if you had this girl and we could make her red right now and you could redraw that, I don't know how perfect, like, that's not perfect. There's some little bits of white. This is from the power clip. This would be a very easy one. See, there's extra stuff in here. See, there's a white circle. And even if so what I'm saying is the there's a black box with writing in the black box. So if you want to take all that apart and use this girl, you could very easily Well, I guess if you knew that font, but you could use that font and maybe redraw this half circle, which would be really easy, just put a straight line across it. And I don't know how particular the people are, but that's not a perfect spear right there. I'm I'm really kind of sorry I don't see there's white specks. So if you even printed it, some of that's going to show up in your printing, and like that corner, that's to me not acceptable. You could probably fix that, but you might as well just redraw it. Just draw a circle and draw a line through it. So we can even move that line. So, and it's all power clipped. Everything's a power clip. And then you could just move your girl back in and turn her back to white, and you'd have the same thing. So if you can't import the power clip or the file, I'm trying to see which one it was. See, when he imports it, the girl's gone. So just manipulate it. And this one worked pretty good, with the exception of the same thing. This is white on black, and it's not, this isn't, you know, and maybe the way I brought it in, the text looks pretty, it really, I would just redraw the whole thing. I think I recognize that font, and this would be really easy to trace. Um, if we made this thing smaller, and I wouldn't try to trace the whole thing, I would try to trace those roads. And, you know, the roads aren't particularly anything special. They're just wavy lines. So this is going to take a little while. I might cut the video off, but I would, whenever you have stuff like this, I would just consider redrawing it. Because, well, we're a fourth of the way through. See how long it takes. But, you know, you could draw that line and draw those stars really easy. I'm not gonna waste everybody's time on waiting. But you could very easily draw that road in those, better than that. And, even though that looks sharp, it's not. I don't know, maybe because the SVG. I mean, so here's the one, that I brought in, and the letters are pretty sharp. So maybe that's the way I saved the other one. But I would, if you bring that into Corel, you can very easily draw that and put the lights in Truckee Memorial, the hill. That would be very easy to make with the polygon tool. Just take count how many shapes there are. Let's go 33 sides, and then just, you could very easily make that shape right there. Let's just look at it, fill it in with white, take away the background of the outside. So you could redraw that in pretty easy amount of time and be perfect. This is blurry and it's not perfect. That's vector. Anyway, sorry I wasn't more help, and thank you for watching.